video reaction. This is from Biafra Liberation Army, one of the commander, and I would like you to pay very close attention to what he said. You know why this brother's video is not trending the way it's supposed to be, because he's a kind of he's very liberal. His reason and his belief is not like other ones. I mean, when you listen to him, you understand why I say so. He made video. He's the one that made video last time, begging and pleading for unity, asking Chiamaka Jera and Sana Prawa to come back together and success. That he's not happy with the way things are going, and they should not attack COS. So for some of you saying COS don't have anybody on ground, man on ground, is he not man? Is he not man on ground? He is, and there are many other people like him, and they are in, I don't want to say in support of any group, but he understands that the injustice for one is injustice for all. He is not in support of what this cabal and segregation and blackmail that's going on against you. He's not in support of that. I want you to hear what he said based on the recent call for recruitment by COS, and the warning that he said here is the reason why I'm sharing this video. That's just the fact, because we have to save our lives and create the awareness so that the youth that felt that they want to join the Biafra Liberation Army are not going to end up in the hands of wrong people, and by so doing losing their life or giving up their soul for forcefully by gangs and criminals that are gonna use them, that are gonna lure them to a unknown location and buy them because they want to join Biafra Liberation Army. Now I want you to share the video, even if you don't like me, like most of you have displayed. You have shown to me that you don't like, but my happiness is that, which is normal. My happiness is that many of you many people that are following me, I have many people that love me than people who don't like what I'm doing. But the only thing you need to understand is that the video is not about me. It's about creating awareness and making sure that our people, our youth, are not going to be a victim, fall victim to this kind of thing that has happened before. And the warning that this commander said here, the message is very okay. So please let us listen to him. Very important. We do so.
All right. Bomuloze moze kelemon aspa mkoye chiriyaze lemone delale boze kelemon ndembana ndegede kelemon. Yene melendi boy he kelemon. This is Prince Oscar Gates official. I want to warn everybody about this current recruitment that was announced by the Biafran Defense Forces and the CSO. I want you people to be very careful. I want you people to be very careful on this recruitment. If you read the paper very well, you will see what they say. Do not be deceived by anyone. Don't listen to anybody who will come to your inbox to tell you, are you ready to join Biafran Defense Forces? Are you ready to be? Because I know that so many of you has been wanting this thing for a very long time.
Please, let me just say this before I allow him to continue. I watched a video of Chiamaka Jera and some of the some people, some of this group, saying that there is no recruitment going on. Anybody that tell you recruitment is a force, is this, is that. This is coming from Biafran Liberation Army, telling you how you have to go about it for you to be recruited. Do you understand? So it's not about that somebody have media platform does not mean the person is clearly telling you the truth. Sometimes, if, like I said, even if you don't like me, fine, focus on the truth, not me. Focus on the truth. You have to listen to what I said. Time will tell. You are going to realize that what I said is fact. But it's a matter of time, like I said. Now we have seen video of Chiamaka and many other people from their camp saying that there's nothing like recruitment going on. So what do you have to say after hearing this directly from people on ground? Listen.
So many of you have been looking for this opportunity for a long time. Please, I'm begging you people. When somebody come to your inbox and tell you, are you ready to join? Because Nigerian forces will use this opportunity now to kidnap so many people. Ebubago people will use this opportunity to kill many youth. DSS will use this opportunity to kill many Igbo youth. I am begging you, if somebody come to your inbox to tell you, to message you or call you to tell you, are you ready? Even in the Telegram, even in the group where you belong in Telegram and the WhatsApp, if anybody tell you, are you ready to join? Please block that person. Block that person. When Biafran forces, when Biafra Liberation Army and Biafra Resistance Fighter were selected, you did not know about it. When ESM was formed and was selected, you did not know about it. You did not know about it. Do not allow anybody to kill you. This thing is being done secretly. Allow them to do their stuff. If you read the paper very well, down there you will see where they said. You will see what they said very well, except if these people are the one that contacted you. If somebody inbox you, please block that person. DSS and Nigerian military and the Bubago people will use this opportunity now to roll so many youth and kill them. Because they will tell you, so you want to join these people and kill them. It happened in the era of ESMO. It happened in the era of Biafra Liberation Army. So many youth were fooled. So many youth were fooled. Because our PM keeps saying it, when the recruitment will go on, they will announce it publicly. Now they announce it. Please be very careful. Read that leaflet very well. Read that memo very well. Read that memo very well. I am warning you people now. I know you. So many of you people are very stupid. I am warning you people now. So many of you now who are eager to join the forces, who are eager to join Biafran forces, will now jump into any message that comes to your inbox and ask you, do you want to join? Please read that memo very well. Read that memo very well. I care about you, and I know so many of you have gone because of this kind of thing. This thing is being done secretly. They are being selected secretly. The Biafra Liberation Army you're seeing today, if they ask you how they were selected, you don't even know. The Biafra Resistance Fighter that you're seeing today, the Biafra Navy that you're seeing today, if they ask you how they were selected, you don't even know. Please be careful, be calm. Be careful, be calm. Even if you want to join, please be careful and be calm. If there is any way you can message CSO, if they reply you, fine. If there is any way you can message Ugo, if they reply you, fine. If there is any way you can
If you pay attention, he said if there's any way you message CSO, what he mean is COS. And you hear him saying Ugo. He's talking about Ugo 247. And maybe they will still create fake account with these people's name more. So the best thing you need to do is when they are having question and answer session, you call in and they'll give you direction on what to do. Don't just believe on maybe a blogger. Don't call me, don't contact me. I'm not involved. You understand? So contact people that matter, people in government. I'm talking about from COS, no COS, from COS, not any other person, or from Ugo, and make sure that you have followed the steps, the direction they give to you, so that you will not be a victim, you will not fall a victim of, sending you to judgment for no just reason. Very, very, very important. You pay attention to that. Very, very important.
The defense forces platform. If they respond to you, fine. Do not even message me because I will not even respond to you. Do not listen to anyone who will tell you that you will pay money for the recruitment. Do not listen to anybody that will tell you that you will pay money for recruitment. Please be very careful. I want you to share this message. Please be very careful. If anybody comes to your inbox and tell you, do you want to join the Biafra Liberation Army, the new recruitment that is being going on now, please block that person. Please block that person. How those that are in the Biafra Liberation Army today and Biafra Resistance Fighter, how they were reached out, you did not know. How they joined, you did not know. How they were recruited, you did not know. They were selected secretly. Allow them to select you. Don't be in a haste. Allow them to select you. Don't be in a haste. Allow them to select you, because I know that so many youth will be gone for this. So many youth will be gone for this. So many scammers now will use this opportunity now to start scamming people. So many fraudsters on the line now will start using this thing now to scam so many people and ask you to pay money. Please be very careful. I don't even care about those that they scam and they collect their money. I'm only worried about those that will be killed because of this. I am only worried about those that will be kidnapped and killed. If it's only money, that one is even manageable. This is only money, it's only your money they take. But killing you is where I'm concerned. Please, if anybody reach out to you, except You message CSO, you message the Defense Force platform, or you message Ugo and other ministers that are in this new government that we have formed. Except you message any of them and they respond to you, fine. Do not message me because I will not respond to you. Do not ask me any question because I will not respond to you. The warning that I'm giving you now, I am warning you here. The warning that I'm sending you warning now, those of you who wants to join Biafra Liberation Army, this message is for you. Those that wants to join Biafra Liberation Army, because I know that so many of you wants to join, and this message is for you. Don't be in a haste. Don't be in a rush, so you will not, so they will not kill you. DSS now will be contacting so many people. They are in the Telegram, they are in the WhatsApp, they are in the Facebook. So many people will be messaging you now, telling you the new recruitment that is going on. Are you ready to join? They will tell you to call so place, send your data. Please, if anybody message you, block that person. If you're so eager to join, you can start messaging those that are in the new government. You can start messaging CSO. If they see your message and respond to you, very fine. The people that they say they will reach out to you in the whole land, if they reach out to you, fine. Please read that memo very well. I care for you. I care about your life. I don't want anything to happen to you. Even those that hate me, even those that love me, I care about your life. We can fight, but anything that will happen to your life, I don't like it. Anything that will endanger your life, we can fight, we can disagree on social media, but anything that will endanger your life, I'm not in support of it. That is why I'm sending this message. Be very careful. If anybody reach out to you, block that person. If anything you don't know reach out to you, block that person. If you're so eager to join, go and read all the people that they selected in this government. You can reach out to CSO, you can reach out to Defense Force Twitter, you can reach out to Go. If you're opportune to join, fine. I congratulate you. But do not allow anybody to kill you because of this. So many youth were killed during the ESM time. So many people were killed during the Biafra Liberation Army. So many people were killed. Now that the thing has been announced, I know that so many people will still be called. Please, please, please. Prince Oscar Gay's official is begging you people, please, in the name of Chukwu Kikiabiama or in the name of Jesus Christ or whatever you believe, I'm begging you, be very careful. I know you want to serve your country, but please be very careful. This time is a very bad time. Be very careful. Be very careful. Be very careful. Be very careful. As please be very careful. Be very careful. I love you people. That is why I am warning you. I know you want to serve your country, but please be very careful. So many people were killed during ESM. So many people were killed during Biafra Liberation Army recruitment time. Please, let what happened before not happen to you. I am begging you in the name of Chukwu Kikiabiama. Stay calm. Stay calm. Even if you were not selected now, maybe by next time you will be selected. Please, I care about your life. I care about you. Please, I am begging you in the name of God. I am begging you. That you hate me or that you fight me, it's none of my business. As long as you are alive, I'm okay. You can attack me, you can hate me, I don't care. As long as you are alive, I'm okay. We can disagree, we can fight on social media. It's end there. I can block you, you can block me. But they killing you is something that I don't want. You dying for no reason is something that I don't want. Please, read that memo very well. 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 I am begging you, read that memo very well. Read that memo very well. Read that memo very well. For those that want to serve, read that memo very well. I am begging you, read that memo very well. I thank you all for the Biafra. It will bless all of you. Ebo, Ebo, Ebo.